Welcome, fellow adventurers, to the ultimate guide for mastering the trails when the sun is at its peak. Summer hiking offers some of the most breathtaking vistas and unforgettable experiences. The world truly opens up with vibrant colors and long, inviting days. However, the warmth of summer brings its own unique set of challenges. The heat can be a formidable opponent, turning a pleasant trek into a dangerous ordeal if you're not prepared. It's not just about packing water, it's about smart, strategic planning. Today, we're diving deep into essential tips for a safe, enjoyable, and truly cool summer hiking experience. We're going beyond the basic advice you might already know. Think of this as your advanced degree in hot weather trail navigation. We'll uncover secrets that seasoned outdoor guides use to stay comfortable and safe, even when the mercury soars. Get ready to transform your summer hikes from a sweaty struggle into a refreshing triumph. Let's conquer that heat together. Hydration is the absolute cornerstone of summer hiking safety. You already know it's crucial to carry ample water, but let's talk about elevating that strategy. We're going to employ what I call the hydration multiplier approach. This isn't just about drinking water when you feel thirsty, it's about proactive, intelligent hydration. Your body needs a constant supply of fluids and electrolytes to function optimally in the heat. Dehydration can sneak up on you quickly. Before you even hit the trail, start your hydration heroics. Consume electrolyte-rich drinks like coconut water or a good quality sports drink. This preloads your system, giving you a head start against fluid loss. Think of it as topping off your internal reserves. During your hike, don't just stick to plain water. Alternate between pure water and an electrolyte solution. This helps replenish the salts and minerals you lose through sweat, preventing cramps and fatigue. It's a balanced approach to keeping your body in prime condition. For easy access and consistent sipping, consider investing in a hydration reservoir, like a Camelback. These systems allow you to drink without breaking your stride, encouraging more frequent intake. Convenience often leads to better habits on the trail. Always be prepared for the unexpected. Carry a lightweight water filter or purification tablets. These are invaluable for natural refills from streams or springs, ensuring you never run out of safe drinking water. It's a crucial backup plan for longer treks. Here's a unique tip that's a game changer for keeping your water cool: freeze a portion of your water bottle the night before your hike. As the ice slowly melts, it provides wonderfully cool water for hours. It's a simple trick that makes a huge difference on a hot day. The sun, while beautiful, can be a relentless adversary on the trail. Sun protection goes far beyond just slapping on some sunscreen. We need to adopt a multi-layered defense strategy to truly stay sun-smart. First, sunscreen is non-negotiable. Choose a broad-spectrum formula with a high SPF, at least 30, but preferably 50 or higher. This protects against both UVA and UVB rays, which cause skin damage and increase cancer risk. Don't skimp on this vital layer. Remember that sunscreen isn't a one-and-done application. You need to reapply it frequently, especially if you're sweating heavily. Every 2 hours is a good rule of thumb, or more often if you're really perspiring. Your skin will thank you later. Next, embrace UPF-rated clothing. These are fabrics specifically designed to block harmful UV rays. Long-sleeved shirts and pants made from UPF material offer superior protection compared to regular clothing. They keep you cool while shielding your skin. A wide-brimmed hat is another essential piece of your SunSmart arsenal. It protects your face, ears, and neck from direct sun exposure. Look for one with a brim that's at least 3 inches wide all around for maximum coverage. Style points are a bonus. Don't forget your neck and face. Consider using a sun gaiter or a multifunctional buff. These can be pulled up to cover exposed skin, providing an extra layer of protection against the sun's harsh rays. They're versatile and easy to adjust. Here's a unique tip for ultimate sun defense during breaks: carry a small, sun-reflective umbrella or a portable sun shelter. These can provide instant, deep shade, allowing you to cool down and rest without direct sun exposure. It's like having your own personal oasis. This strategy is particularly effective during lunch breaks or when you need to wait out the hottest part of the day. It significantly reduces your heat load and protects your skin. Think of it as your mobile shade tree. When it comes to summer hiking, timing is everything. You can have all the right gear and hydration, but if you're out during the hottest part of the day, you're fighting an uphill battle. Optimal scheduling is a key tactical advantage. The golden rule is to avoid hiking between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. This is when the sun is highest and most intense, and temperatures are at their peak. Planning around these hours is crucial for comfort and safety. It's simply not worth the risk. Instead, plan to start your hikes early, ideally before or just as the sun rises. The air is cooler, the light is softer, and the trails are often less crowded. This allows you to cover significant ground before the heat truly sets in. Use these cooler morning hours to tackle any challenging terrain or steep ascents. Your body will be fresher, and the lower temperatures will make the effort much more manageable. Save the easier, flatter sections for later in the day. Consider late afternoon or early evening hikes as an alternative. As the sun begins to dip, temperatures drop, and the light becomes magical. This can be a wonderfully serene time to be on the trail, offering a different perspective. If you opt for evening hikes, always be mindful of daylight hours. Know when the sun sets and plan to be off the trail well before dark. Carrying a headlamp is always a good idea, even if you don't anticipate needing it. Be aware that off-peak hours can sometimes mean increased potential for wildlife encounters. Animals are often more active during dawn and dusk. Be vigilant, make noise, and know how to react if you encounter local fauna. Here's a unique tip for smart scheduling: research trail microclimates. Some trails have sections with dense tree cover that offer natural shade, or they might follow a river with a cooling breeze. Identifying these spots can help you plan your breaks strategically. Knowing where natural water sources are located can also influence your timing and route. These microclimates can provide much-needed relief and make your summer hike significantly more enjoyable. It's about leveraging the landscape to your advantage. Having the right gear is paramount for a successful summer hike, but we're talking about going beyond the basic essentials. This is about optimizing your kit for hot weather performance and comfort. Every item should serve a purpose in keeping you cool and safe. First, clothing choice is critical. Opt for lightweight, breathable, and moisture-wicking fabrics. Materials like synthetic blends or merino will pull sweat away from your skin, helping it evaporate and keeping you cooler. Avoid cotton, which absorbs sweat and stays wet. Your footwear also plays a significant role. Invest in hiking boots or shoes with good ventilation. Mesh panels or breathable uppers allow air circulation, preventing your feet from overheating and reducing the risk of blisters. Happy feet make for a happy hiker. A well-stocked first aid kit is always essential, but for summer hiking, it needs to be tailored. Include items specifically for heat-related issues, like electrolyte tablets, sting relief, and extra blister treatment. Prevention is key, but preparedness is vital. Blister treatment deserves its own mention. Hot, sweaty feet are a breeding ground for blisters. Carry moleskin, athletic tape, or specialized blister bandages. Address hot spots immediately to prevent them from becoming debilitating. Insect repellent is a must-have. Summer often means more bugs, from mosquitoes to ticks. Choose a repellent effective against the pests common in your hiking area. Apply it generously and reapply as needed to avoid annoying bites and potential diseases. Depending on your region, consider including a snake bite kit. While rare, knowing you have the tools to respond to a snake bite can provide peace of mind. Research the local wildlife and assess the risk before you go. Here's a unique tip for personal cooling: carry a small, battery-powered fan. These compact devices can provide a surprisingly refreshing breeze during breaks, helping to lower your core temperature. It's a small luxury that makes a big difference. Another fantastic unique tip: pack a small, lightweight towel. You can wet this towel in a stream or from your water bottle and drape it around your neck. The evaporative cooling effect provides instant, significant relief from the heat. It's simple, effective, and incredibly refreshing. No amount of gear or planning can replace the most important tool you have on the trail, your body. Listening to its signals is the ultimate guide to safe summer hiking. Your body will tell you when it's struggling, and you must heed those warnings. Pay close attention to how you feel. Are you unusually tired? Is your head throbbing? These are not just minor discomforts, they are critical messages from your internal system. Ignoring them can lead to serious consequences. Learn to recognize the early signs of heat exhaustion. These include dizziness, headache, nausea, excessive sweating, and muscle cramps. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's time to take immediate action. Don't push through. When you feel the heat getting to you, take frequent breaks. Seek out shade whenever possible. Elevate your feet, sip water, and allow your body to cool down. Short, regular breaks are far more effective than pushing yourself to the point of collapse. Never hesitate to turn back if you're feeling unwell. Your ego is not worth your health or safety. The mountain will always be there another day. Knowing when to call it quits is a sign of wisdom, not weakness. Here's a unique tip for emergency situations, but one that requires significant prior knowledge: learn to identify edible plants. With proper identification skills, certain plants can provide emergency hydration or nutrients. This is an advanced skill and should only be attempted by those with expert botanical knowledge. Never consume anything you are not 100% certain about. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, always hike with a buddy. There's safety in numbers, especially in hot conditions where heat-related illnesses can impair judgment. A hiking partner can monitor your condition and provide assistance if needed. Before you even leave home, inform someone of your hiking plans. Tell them your route, your expected return time, and who you're with. This simple step ensures that if something goes wrong, someone knows where to look for you. It's a fundamental safety practice for any outdoor adventure. By combining these advanced strategies with a deep respect for your body's limits, you'll transform your summer hiking experiences. You'll not only conquer the heat but truly enjoy the beauty of the season, safely and comfortably. Happy trails, and stay cool out there.